Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today we will discuss oil levels and how to properly check it. This will hopefully be a quick one. With some engines, you need to thread the dipstick all the way. But, on engines such as the Kawasaki engines and the Honda engines, you do not thread them in. If you see a label like this, or like this, then you do not want to thread the dipstick in to check the level. Because if you thread it in like so, you will notice the level is showing just over the full mark.
Y si lo compruebas de la manera correcta.
You will notice it is at the other end of the dipstick. So we will add some oil. Now, if we check the level the correct way, and now it's full. Here's an example of a Kawasaki dipstick. And as you can see, they imprinted on the shaft. For Kawasaki engines, for the correct oil level, do not thread cap on threads. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. So, until the next one. It looks like another one is good to go.